Zhaoqing Metal Industry Company Limited, established in 2003 and located in Dawang High Technology District, Zhaoqing City, Guangdong Province. The factory covers an area of 50,000 square meters, is a professional manufacturer engaged in the research, development, production, sale, and service of hardware, plastic, die casting products. We have a full set of mold production equipment, independent technology research and development design, professional product production. The company has its own unique advanced production technology and a series of automation production equipment. And the enterprise has always been rigorous style to produce a large number of high-quality products with high competitiveness. Our major products are automatic hose reel, garden water hose reel, air hose reel, electric cable hose reel, high-pressure air hose reel, high-pressure water hose reel, and stanchions. Sign frame stand series. The company relies on the excellent product quality, as well as in the product quality technical excellence. The spirit of continuous innovation has established a good reputation. Products sold to many overseas countries and won the support and trust of many customers. We insist quality and service is all in the business. What customer wants is what we pursues, and we strive to achieve quality, price, and service into a perfect unit. Welcome to visit our company and wish to cooperate with you. Looking forward to work with you near future and grow up together.